Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find convenience tools. Now let's tap on the navigation, and as you can see right here we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the virtual buttons option applied, and if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, you can customize it right here in the button layout. So as you can see, you can switch the places of the back button and the recents, so you can reorder them just by picking the option you'd like to use. It's up to you, of course. If you'd like to use the gestures, you've got 2 different options, so you can pick the swipe gestures from both sides option, and we will use it. But if you will tap on more, here you've got the swipe up gestures. So after tapping on it, you can see that instead of only one line, you will have like 3 different gestures from which you can do from the bottom of your device, not from the sides. And here we've got, of course, the maybe not animation but the tutorial. So if you'd like to go back, you will have to swipe from here or here. You can go to the back button and you can swipe and hold to show the recents. So basically it will work just like the almost like the buttons. You can hide the gesture guide bar if you want to. Right here we've got the 3 lines. I'm not really sure if you can see them. Maybe if I will hide them. Probably you cannot, but in this really light gray color we've got the 3 bars which are connected with particular actions. Here you can decide if you want to misstart the prevention. Of course it is right now turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. But let me get back because that's not the option I would like to use. So I prefer to use swipe gestures from the both sides, and after tapping on it you can see the animation here of how the gestures work. Of course I'll show you later on how to use them. Under it we've got some options thanks to which we can customize this navigation. So we've got, of course, the gesture tutorial. You can go through it and learn. Under it we've got hide gesture guide bar, so we can hide this line, and I really like this option, so I will do it. So just tap on this switcher to turn it on. You can decide if you want to feel the vibration feedback on the back navigation. You can switch to previous apps, or you can misstart prevention. Of course it's the same situation. You can customize those options. Just tap on the switcher to turn them on. I will leave it like this, and let me show you how the gestures work. So in order to get back to the previous step, nothing easier. All you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you can see this arrow and you will release the finger, then you will go back. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it works the same. If you want to go back to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page. And if you want to enter the recents, just do the same. So swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but this time do it slowly and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see right here, we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to set the gesture navigation in your OPPO A94 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.